Today I am reviewing the Dell Latitude 555015 Business AI laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the heart of the system, the Intel Core Ultra 7 155U processor is a game changer. This is a first-generation Intel Ultra processor, which is built to replace the previous 13th generation core processors. It features a total of 12 cores, including 2 high-performance cores, 8 efficient cores, and 2 low-power cores, with 14 threads, allowing you to handle everything from intensive multitasking to complex AI workloads with ease. The performance cores can turbo boost up to 4.8 GHz, giving you quick and responsive processing power, while the efficient cores work it up to 3.8 GHz to optimize battery life and background tasks. This means you get excellent power management without compromising speed. The display on the Latitude 5550 is a sharp and clear 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It uses IPS technology, which provides wide viewing angles and good color accuracy. The screen has an anti-glare coating, making it comfortable to use in bright environments like offices or cafes. While it operates at a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, the display offers sufficient brightness at 250 nits and a 45% NTSC color gamut, suitable for business tasks like spreadsheets, presentations, and video conferencing. The laptop also uses Intel's integrated graphics with AI accelerators, including a neural processing unit, to enhance AI workloads and accelerate productivity apps that utilize artificial intelligence. Memory and storage are exceptional on this model. It comes equipped with a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is not only the latest generation of memory, but also extremely fast. This amount of RAM is more than enough to run multiple virtual machines, heavy databases, or large-scale data processing tasks simultaneously. Alongside this, you get a huge 2 TB PCIe SSD, which ensures lightning-fast boot times, rapid file transfers, and plenty of storage for all your business documents, multimedia files, and software applications. This combination makes the Dell Latitude 5550 a powerhouse for professionals who demand speed and capacity. On the connectivity front, the Latitude 5550 is fully equipped for modern business needs. It features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast and reliable wireless connections. The laptop offers multiple ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports that support 40 gigabits per second data transfer, DisplayPort Alt mode, USB Type-C, USB 4, and power delivery, allowing you to connect high-resolution monitors, fast external drives, and charge your devices quickly. There's also an HDMI 2.1 port for external displays, multiple USB 3.2 ports, including one with PowerShare for charging other devices, an RJ45 Ethernet port for wired networks, a microSD card slot for additional storage options, and a universal audio jack. Security is a key feature in business laptops, and Dell doesn't disappoint here. The Latitude 5550 comes with a fingerprint reader integrated into the keyboard deck, providing biometric security and quick login through Windows Hello. The Control Vault 3 Plus adds a layer of hardware security to keep your data safe from breaches. Plus, Windows 11 Professional is pre-installed, bringing enhanced security features, better management tools, and an interface optimized for productivity. The keyboard itself is designed for professional use, with an English-US backlit layout and a numeric keypad for easy data entry. The AI hotkeys make it simple to access essential features quickly, improving efficiency during busy workdays. In conclusion, the Dell Latitude 555015 Business AI laptop is an impressive combination of performance, AI integration, security, and connectivity. Whether you're running demanding applications, managing data-heavy tasks, or simply need a reliable machine for your business operations, this laptop offers the features and power to get the job done efficiently. Its future-proof specs, including the latest Intel Ultra processor and DDR5 memory, make it a smart investment for professionals who want to stay ahead in today's fast-paced digital environment. If you want a business laptop that can handle everything you throw at it with ease, while also incorporating intelligent AI features and robust security, the Dell Latitude 5550 should definitely be on your shortlist.